Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions about your overall experience with green home systems. And one of them is, how did everything go with your sales manager?
Everything went really, really well. I got a lot of good information. They were very responsive, and I got an excellent program.
That's fantastic. And have you seen a difference in your utility bill since you've gone solar?
I have. I saved quite a bit of money especially in my first year.
Great. Can you give us the difference that you've seen prior to going solar and now that your panels are up and running?
My utility bills were over $100 in the winter, and probably upwards of $200 in the summer. And my first year, they were down to $10 or $15.
Fantastic. That's great. And why did you choose to go with Green Home Systems?
I liked the program. They answered promptly when I called them. I wasn't, delayed. They were very responsive. They came right out. They sat down with me. They worked on everything, laid everything out, and I just was very happy with the support I received.
Great. Last question for you. Would you suggest Green Home Systems as a solar option if any of your friends or family members were interested?
Absolutely.
Great. Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time. We're so happy you've seen that big difference in your utility bill so far.
I've been pleased too.